Hello there everyone, this is Otter Machine from Otter Den Gaming. This is just going to be a quick typing test on my new keyboard I received for my birthday. I just want to say a quick thank you to all the people that helped fund this project, starting with Jeremiah, thank you so much, Bingo RSA, Black Widow, Mr. Brad Jones, Razak, Canadian Sapphire, Lumpies, Patriot Monero, A50 Gaming 2, and Vaccine. Thank you so much for all of your contributions. All of you helped greatly to fund this project of mine. What you're going to be hearing first will be my new keyboard, which is a glorious GMMK base with Gateron Black switches and these HyperX Pudding keycaps. The Gateron switches were all lubed with Krytox 205 grade 2. And the stabilizers or the stabs were also lubed. They were clipped and the band-aid mod was supplied to the PCB just to help with the sound. The second keyboard you'll see is my old keyboard, which was a CM Storm Quickfire. It had Cherry MX Reds, which were bone stock, and you can tell the difference, I'm sure. Thank you very much and enjoy.